would have listened to the F around find out video, a lot of people who were voting Democrat, they would have known. You know, nah, because, nah, yeah, I don't want to burn that thing. All right, I got Neil Parrott coming up, running for Congress in Maryland District 6. Biden was in Maryland yesterday, destroying people's confidence in the election. This guy's such a joker. Folks, if the unthinkable happens, are you prepared? You got a good stockpile of emergency food on hand? If not, drop what you're doing and go to mypatriotsupply.com. You'll find a special limited time offer from My Patriot Supply. That's right, it's back. The lowest price since 2019. Save $250 on a 3-month emergency food kit. Kit's packed with delicious breakfast, lunches, dinners, drinks, and snacks. Act now and you'll save $250 per kit. To avoid fights, get one kit for each person in your care. You'll always need more than you think. Go to mypatriotsupply.com, I do, and save big. Your kits will ship fast, with free shipping too, and they arrive in unmarked boxes for your privacy. This offer ends in just a few days, so don't procrastinate. Go to mypatriotsupply.com and save money on the emergency food you're going to need. Listen, there are wicked forces in the world that are hell-bent on the destruction of everything you and I hold dear. Don't be their victim. Go to mypatriotsupply.com before it's too late. mypatriotsupply.com.
Dan Bongino. You're listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
All right, let me welcome back to the show a candidate for Maryland District 6 for Congress, Neil Parrott. That's where I ran for Congress. It's a great district. Neil, welcome back to the show.
Dan, it's great to be with you again this afternoon.
So this is it. It's game day here. Biden was in Maryland, your state, yesterday. You're running in the western portion, dipping a little bit into Montgomery County. I'm wondering exactly what he was celebrating in Maryland, Neil. Maryland just came back as one of the most uncompetitive business environments anywhere in the United States, and it looks like they were taking a victory lap over that.
I don't know. It's kind of crazy. I heard you mention that he didn't even know Westmore's name running for governor out here. We need to have changes across this country. We need to have changes in Maryland. We need to, you know, it's not Governor Hogan's fault that we're that bad with business environment. That's clearly the supermajority Democrats' fault who've rammed through tax increases. They overrode Hogan's vetoes, and not just tax increases, but spending increases that we can completely not afford. And yet today, people have a clear choice in Maryland whether they're going to vote for Moore or Cox. I'm just encouraging people to vote for Cox. We can't afford 2 years of a more, well, 4 years of a Moore administration. And nationally, we can't afford another 2 years without putting a check on President Biden. You know, right now it seems like Congress has just given him a blank check. They're spending trillions of dollars that we don't have. We're borrowing from China. We're just printing. We need to have some common sense and responsibility coming back to D.C. And I'm really excited about today. People are getting out in force, and that needs to happen. We have to have everyone who's listening get out and make sure you vote. So many races are very, very close today. And I can tell you, just the turnout numbers are going to be what gets us over the top.
Well, the turnout, we're talking to Neil Parrott running in Maryland District 6. And I'd like to, extend an invitation for your opponent to call in. I would love to hear what he's going to do to cut taxes and protect the Second Amendment and life in the womb. Because I know you, Neil, me being an activist at heart, I know that really matters to you. I know those issues matter to you because they mattered to you for a long time, way before you run for office. I only got about